You can see I had a new MacBook 2023, and this is what I need. I do a lot of things. My computer is my job. It's the one help me to pay my bills, everything. So this you can connect in here. Easy to use it. Hold up, because I got one hand on it. So you put right here on the side. Okay, right here. And click. Really good. Oh, I put backwards. Sorry. Come on, blind. Okay. See? Click. You can see how the light right here. That means it's ready to use. And really thin and perfect. You can put memory card, USB, you can charge phone, anything. I love it. I can't ask for better. This is perfect. Actually, I forgot something. You can put in your pocket, you can put in your purse, whatever. You can travel with this. Already travel with him. I don't have no problem at all. This is perfect. I love
I purchased this USB extension for my MacBook, and it is very easy to use. Adapts into the MacBook perfect. I've had no issues with it. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB lines, and it looks like a SDM card slot. So I would suggest it. Like I said, it's secure in there, even though it doesn't look like it comes together, it still is secure. And I'm glad that I have the extra USB outlets for this MacBook.
All in one.